Hello everyone, welcome back. Let us see Louis Pasteur and his contribution in the field of microbiology. He was a French chemist and also a microbiologist, considered the most important founder of microbiology. He developed a scientific discipline era of Louis Pasteur. He coined the term microbiology for the study of microorganisms of microscopic size. He is the father of modern microbiology. First one is fermentation. In the mid 1850s, he undertook a series of studies on alcoholic fermentation at a local distillery unit. He learned about many aspects about fermentation, including certain compounds that cause milk to sour. In 1857, he presented his evidence that all fermentation is caused by microorganisms and that specific microorganism can cause specific kind of fermentation. And the next one is pasteurization. Using his work with fermentation, he can able to devise a process known as pasteurization. So, pasteurization is a method to kill microbes and preserve certain products. Pasteurization prevents fermenting and spoilage in beer, milk and other goods. And the next one is spontaneous generation. Before Pasteur, many predominant scientists believed that life could arise spontaneously. For instance, many people thought that maggots appeared from rotten flesh and also dust created fleas. He suspected that this was not the case. So, he disproved the spontaneous generation theory by boiling beef broth in a special flask that deters contamination. When the broth was not exposed to air, it remained sterile and free of microorganisms. When the flask neck was broken and the air was allowed to reach the bottom, the fluid became cloudy with microbial contamination. This is the Pasteur swan neck experiment. So first the nutrient broth is sterilized to kill the microorganism. And the next the broth remains sterile after cooling and sitting for an extended period. When it exposed to airborne microbes, the microbes are trapped in the neck of the flask. And the third one is when the neck of the flask is broken, microbes begin to grow. And the last one is the microbes quickly multiply in the broth and cause contamination. And the next one is germ theory. When Pasteur worked with microorganisms in fermentation and pasteurization, mainly leads to much better understanding of the germ theory that cause diseases result from the invasion of the body by microorganisms. His finding eventually leads to improvement in sterilizing and cleaning in medical practices and also antiseptic methods in surgery. And the next one is infectious diseases. Pasteur successfully identified the organism that causes a mysterious diseases in silkworm known as pebrine. He learned how to preserve healthy silkworm moth egg and prevent contamination by disease-causing organism. The method he developed are still used in silk production. And the next one is vaccine. Using his germ theory of diseases, he also made important strides in the field of vaccination. He developed vaccine for chicken cholera and anthrax. His most important work with vaccine was his development of a rabies vaccine, a new inactivated type of vaccine which mainly consisting of a neutralizing agent rather than the attenuated microorganisms. In 1885, he vaccinated a 9-year-old boy who had been bitten by a rabid dog and also helped user in the practice of preventive medicine. These are some of the contribution of Louis Pasteur in the field of microbiology. Thank you. For more videos, keep watching and subscribe this channel.